Instrukart, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a pressure transmitter which is offered by Siemens, and this is Citran series P320. Now in this Citran series we got several different variations, as in you can have this with the display, you can choose to have without the display, you can choose to have the protocols or the communication option, and the ranges also. This pressure transmitter can take the media pressure. Now in this display also we have got certain features which helps the user to identify and analyze the data more accurately and better. So the display also got measurement view, parameter view and edit view in this settings. How to do the settings? We can have this 4 key operations which is mentioned on the top. So these 4 keys helps in setting and putting the display unit as per your convenience or as per user's convenience. This display also can have different users set up and different privileges set up for the users. So this kind of settings can be done over this display. However, without display we just have to use as a transmitter which can transmit the data and the acquisition system take care. You can see the connection option. So I have taken a 24 volts DC to excite this device. However, it can be excited from 10 to 42 volts DC. At the side you can see the glands, and at the bottom you see this to put into the line pressure. You have certain accessories for the mounting, as in the clamp and other screws and nuts. Since this pressure is high for the measurement up to 700 bar, this can be used in applications like furnace, chillers, boilers and applications where the media pressure is very high. So in some scenarios what happens is that the line temperature would be higher and the temperature which this particular pressure transmitter can take will be lower. So in these cases we use the cooling coil. So this is the cooling coil which is fixed along with this pressure transmitter, where one side is for the process, which means that at this point the temperature would be more than 400, 500, 600 degrees, which has to further reduce to 150 degrees, which this particular pressure transmitter can take. Hence these cooling coils are used, or we can use the siphons also to reduce the temperature. For any kind of information onto this pressure transmitter, whether it is high pressure or low pressure or into vacuum, you can always reach our expert at instrukart.com for buying suggestions. Thanks for watching.